Tiger. Let's go. Okay, start.
Did we win?
Here
Start.
we go. We're making a name. Did you guys get it tightened down good enough?
Yeah.
And then they stain it and then they paint it. That's so cool. It took us a whole year to figure out how to paint this thing. I'm not a big candidate for this class. They need a man in here. We need testosterone. Somebody that has a hammer in his back pocket.
This is all programmed by Max Markel. That's me.
I do everything
And right now I programmed it to make my name, and this is my partner right here. He's gonna do that next. So it took me about 50 minutes to program this, and now we're translating it into this block of wood.
Translating it, huh? Nice. Nice use of jargon. Oh, there's our little border being made.
Just about done.
I was missing a K.
Yeah.
It is complete.
Make
So
sure to open the door correctly.
let's check out the finished product right now. So opening up the cover,
And I got it right on my second try.
There we go.
and there it is. Get some of that off, and we have a finished product. Wait, hold on a sec.
Does that say
That's my name. That is my name, and it's so cool. I was so excited to do this, and it's finally complete. Couldn't be more happy with this finished product. Right now I'm eating some cold stone, and I have cake batter with cake in it, which is awesome. Do with fam, her, and her, and cold stone. Yep, that's what we're here for. So I'm back home from Cold Stone, and it was really good, and yeah, it was just really good. I haven't had Cold Stone in like 3 years, and we finally found a Cold Stone out in Carlsbad that we had never tried before. And there was a Cold Stone back in New Jersey where I used to live, and then it got shut down. So when I came out here to California, we were looking for one because it used to be our favorite place. And now we finally found one, and it was awesome. So the Monday night game is over, and I saw something really weird in the store today, and that was holiday decorations, Christmas, and like Hanukkah and all that stuff were already being on sale. Like, it's not even November. Why are you selling that stuff when Halloween hasn't even ended yet? And like, it's overtaking these stores, and people are just buying them and buying them and buying them. I watch people at the cashier's desk or whatever they call it, and like they're always buying holiday decorations and all this stuff when they should be buying Halloween stuff, like me and my family were. And like, I'm thinking everybody else is weird, but then I realize everybody else is doing it, so I'm the weird one. I feel weird. But weird is not that bad, because it means you're one of a kind, and yes, I am. Thank you very much. Okay, so I'm gonna go to bed now, and it is about 10 o'clock right now, and the Monday Night Football game just ended, so that means it's time for me to go into my room, which I am right now, and watch some TV and fall asleep while editing. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow.